Ko te kimi I te wahi tunu I te poha, kai papai rawa, he wene rawa te tini huri noa I Aotearoa. Ko Timothy Dennis e whakataki ana I tāna ke whakaaturanga mo tēnei take, ara ko Bakery Run te ingoa. Ka tono atu ia ki ana manuhiri huri te motu, ki te whakatau wake I wā rātou tino pai. Anei a Arana Ryan me tana pūrongo.
What's your perspective right now? Is it heavy?
Yeah, you can feel all the weight. I feel as like sort of in the middle.
Hey, chill out, mate. That's my job.
He kai tākaro kēmu whātāta, he kai kawe pūrongo, he mātanga whiriwhiri poha kai pai anō hoki.
I used to get in a lot of arguments online about what the best bakery is, and a lot of angry people when I would say. So yeah, we thought let's just make a show out of it and review the pies, and yeah, it took off from the get-go really. We put it online one night, went to sleep, came back, and there was like 10,000 views on it.
I ngā tau e toru nei, ko tā Timothy Dennis o te Aotearoa, he pātai ki ana manuhiri, ki hea I Aotearoa ki te ake ai wā rātou, poha kai pai rawa atu.
There are a few boiled up pies, but you know, you can tell the difference between watercress and just cut up spinach. You know what I want to do a special just on fry bread, eh? I want to go around to everyone's auntie and everyone that goes, yo, my auntie makes the best, my nan makes the best fry bread. I would love to do that. We need to make a fry bread pie.
Mai I ngā here emu eri matakau, kua tau I a Timothy, nā wai ngā poha kai papai rawa.
One thing we need to stay away from though is the rotten corn pie. I have not had that, you know, with my nan was like, yo, it tastes better. Yo, and my nan was like, yo, it tastes better than it smells. And she was lying. She was a liar. God rest her soul, she was a liar.
Nāna hoki whakarārangi, mai I ētahi tā rawa rere kēnei.
You go for a steak and cheese, because if the steak and cheese is good, all the other ones will be good. Yeah. But and the thing is also with bakeries is that it's home. Like it's where you came from. It's where you grew up. You know, and your bakery might not be the best in Aotearoa, but it's the best for you. So,
ko te renga tua ono o Bakery Run, e āhei ana matakita kina rā ki tiriata. Aaron Ryan, te ao mārama.